Welcome to a ProductionNet tutorial. Today we will be looking at Plant View. This is found in the navigation menu under the Production and Plant View. As you can see here, all of the work centers that are currently in the plant configuration are visible. These are metrics for the current shift. So this is real-time information and data. Here it is split between performance or the performance loss, the production good parts, the defects, and the downtime. So depending on the production, this is how it's going to be split up. So this may vary during the day. You will see a green number if you are on par with production or surpassing it, and they will be red numbers if there's a deficit. Here you can click on or off, and this just is a visual aid, like a reminder. On the bottom part, you can see it's for the current day and the current shift numbers. You can manage work centers by clicking here on the top right hand side, and you are able to deselect, so you can have a personalized view depending on which work centers you'd like to see. Thank you for using ProductionNet.